Now my turn.
They don't call him India's youngest super cop for no reason at all. In fact, if you ask me, I think we should all go on for a long holiday while little Singham is around.
Yeah, sure, why not? You can get a holiday and along with it, get a taste of my punch.
Next time, don't stray onto the middle of the road while playing, alright?
Okay, little Singham.
Friends, make sure to not stray onto the road while you're playing. Because after all, little Singham can't be everywhere, can he?
Little Singham, would it be okay if we watch the cartoons here?
Yes, why not? Karate, please put on the TV.
Sir, these days there's this new Joker channel, but I am much funnier than he can ever be. Hiya! Sir, just see, this crazy Joker seems to be on old channel.
Now I will go boo, and the kids will go boo-hoo. Wah, wah, wah. Well, little Singham, are you screaming and trembling in fear too?
That's enough. This jungly Joker has challenged the mighty lion. I will have to tackle him myself.
Little Singham!
पुलिस की वर्दी शेर खत्म नाम है इसका दिल सिंघम दूर चलाने डरे दुश्मन नाम है इसका दिल सिंघम
Thank you, little Singham.
Be strong and never be afraid.
Thank you, little Singham.
Akkad bakkad bum bum boo. Deadly spider, catch little Singham and don't let go.
Deadly spider! Run! Run! Someone please help me!
What's this?
Hiya! One karate chop and this spider will be caught in its own web. You know what I'm saying? Yeah! Hiya! His web is slipping right off me. There's got to be something special about me. Know what I'm saying?
You have messed with the lion of the jungle.
Deadly Spider, Little Singham's sting was deadlier than yours. Ooh.
Hey, where did he go? Disappeared like magic. Know what I'm saying?
Looks like it's time for Newton's chutney once again.
So funny. How did you manage to get all those cobwebs all over your head?
Well, actually we were attacked in Mirchi Bazaar by a giant spider.
The best way to get rid of unwanted cobwebs is this Ultra Supersonic Tectonic 500 Megaton Turbojet Vacuum Cleaner. Newton's Chutney.
The spider has been scientifically enlarged to his current size.
But who is doing all of this?
This looks like the work of only one person I know. Khatarnak Khatri.
Khatarnak Khatri? That nasty scientist who only wants to bring destruction to Mirchi Nagar.
Everybody got stuck in the spider's web, but it slipped right off me. How is that possible?
You see, the spider's web will slip off an oily surface.
Oh, I see. You know, early this morning I had a very relaxing oil massage to get my skin glowing. You know what I am saying?
If we follow the trail of these cobwebs, they will lead us straight to him.
If you have to deal with that deadly spider's webs, you just have to take along that turbo-powered vacuum cleaner.
Oh no, Little Singham.
Mr. Minister, are you alright?
If we don't catch that deadly spider soon enough, I'll have to hide my head in shame.
I will not let that happen. This game of cat and mouse will be over soon. So the cobwebs are leading to the pipeline. Let's go!
Ha!
Tonight, Khatarnak Khatri's deadly spiders will trap that brat, Little Singham, in their deadly web forever and never. Go, deadly spiders, go! Trap that brat Little Singham in your deadly webs and destroy Mirchi Nagar completely!
पुलिस की वर्दी शेर खत्म नाम है इसका दिल सिंघम
Little Singham.
Hey, you guys take care of this Little Singham. Till then, I will be uploading coconuts on the truck.
Oh wow, sir is fighting valorously. Dishum, dishum. Now no one can dare to come in between sir and Munna Muchi.
Is this bus being driven by a bus driver or a pilot? Is he not seeing the speedometer at all?
Excuse me, sir, what are you doing? Please control yourself.
Oh no, the speed breaker. The direction is northeast and the bus is running at a speed of 75 kilometers per hour. That's why I fell down upon you.
I hope you are okay.
Yes, I am okay. But why are you helping me out, sir? Do we owe some money to each other in our past lives or what?
No, sir, nothing like that. I was just helping you out of humanity.
My name is Hisab Kitab. And And if someone helps me out, then I don't say thank to them, because saying thank you just does not clear the dues, that's right.
Huh?
All right, I get it. I'll just clear all my balance with him right now. This is your luggage, right?
Yes. Oh, hey, please, don't. Just wait. Please, what are you doing?
See, now I can say that we both are equal,
But...
And now please don't thank me and send me down the guilt trip. First you helped me, and then I helped you in return. We are equal now.
What is this being equal? What dues? What give and take? Because of this person, now I'm totally confused. Don't know when next bus is going to come. For God's sake, why did I help him? Oh no!
Oh, my throat is all dried up due to this hot weather. I wish I could get something to drink. Oh. Excuse me, sir. Can I please get some tender coconut water?
No. This coconut water is not for drinking. Go away.
But coconut water is for drinking, right?
But not this one, sir. You can leave. Otherwise...
Otherwise what? I think he's right, sir. Coconut water is to drink only. Have this. You need some too.
Hey, is everything all right?
As you can see on screen, the bridge broke down suddenly and the bus is hanging in the air. All the passengers are frightened. The rescue team has reached the spot to save the people.
Now you all must be thinking, how will Little Singham save them all?
Little Singham, take this!
Wow, Kavya madam. If we clap hands for our boss, Little Singham, it will not be enough. With the power of stay. Little Singham, a little left, a little right, a salutation pose.
Oh, great. Entire paparazzi team is here. Come on, take as many pictures as you want.
Oh my. Today's newspaper is not an ordinary newspaper. It is Little Singham newspaper. On the other hand, these fans and the paparazzi are standing since morning just for one pic. Huh?
Yes, Karate. People have started trusting upon Mirchi Nagar police all the more because of Little Singham.
If Little Singham stays in the spotlight, criminals will think twice before committing any crime.
Come on.
Little Singham, Punja attack pose!
Men are 3 and tattoo number is 5. Something is fishy here.
Our sir was a celebrity before, but now he has become a bigger name. Now wherever he will go, this paparazzi will follow him.
Little Singham, one photo while running! Little Singham, don't let them run away!
Where will they go anyways?
So the target has walked into the web himself! Spiders, show him what you can do! Go!
Now you'll be trapped in your own web. Take that!
Hey, don't try your tricks on me. Wanna taste my punch?
Listen, madam. These webs will slip right off me because I have got oiled well before coming here. Know what I'm saying?
Having fun, are you? Oh wow! I never thought I'd be snowballing with spiderweb snowballs.
Don't let him get away! Get up and fight him!
आता माझी सटकली.
पुलिस की वर्दी शेर खत्म नाम है इसका दिल सिंघम दूध चढ़ा देगा दुश्मन नाम है इसका दिल सिंघम
Looks like my plan has backfired. The target was Little Singham, but now it is me.
Punja attack!
How did the two of you get in here? I had taken great pains to give you both a grand elaborate welcome.
This time you won't be able to escape my deadly punch, Jungly Joker.
Wanna see some real action, little kidda? Ah, li 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 li. You are no match for my strength. You are just a little pussy cat, not a lion.
The lion can take on even the deadliest animals in the jungle. And you're just a silly circus clown.
Little Singham, my energy levels are at their peak. Check this out. How did this happen? Why are those children laughing? Little Singham!
Your energy levels are low, is it? Why don't I help you a little? Here you go. Get charged. माझी सटकली.
आता माझी
Punja attack!
My name is Munna Muchi. I don't spare people like you. Kuchi, Kuchi.
Hisab kitab. You want to clear out all the dues with me, right?
Yes, for sure.
Friends, I think this time we will be able to return each other's favors. This is great, Hisab Kitab sir. You were able to return 3 favors in just 3 seconds. You took care of 3 goons at a time.
Not 3, but 4. I hit 4 goons. So now you will have to return the favor to me. It is your turn now.
Oh, sir, because of this guy, I have completely forgotten my calculations. Please do something, sir.
Oh, Hisab Kitab sir. You must be tired by now. I think you should take some rest.
My diary, my diary. You saved my diary for me, right? But I am not going to say thank you for that.
You need to go away from here right now. Otherwise, I am going to do a favor to this guy over here. And mind it yours too.
Oh no, please save me, save me, save me.
Hey, you Munna Muchi. You have been shaping your mustache all this while. But now Little Singham will beat you up and throw you in that pile.
आता माझी सटकली.
Punja attack!
You saved me yet again. Now I will.
Hey, no need to thank me, sir. Because we both have already settled our dues. Am I right?
Oh yes. Now I can say that every
3 paparazzi and 2 thieves, 5 people gang, 5 number tattoo. They all belong to one gang.
But those thieves have escaped, Little Singham. Now how are we going to catch those thieves and paparazzis red-handed?
Let them run as much as they want. They cannot go beyond my den. Hello, paparazzi. Today, exactly at 4 p.m., Little Singham is planning to keep a photo shoot right in front of his police station. Everyone is invited. Don't get late. See you soon.
Bhadka brother, this Little Singham is inviting us for a photo shoot himself.
Yes, brother. We will take its advantage. Brothers, you in disguise of paparazzi, keep him engaged. Me and Tadka will try our luck on a big bank.
Yay! Little Singham!
So, Tadka and Bhadka, are you surprised?
Little Singham is here. Bhadka, catch him.
I will surprise you one more time. You have no entry in this safe.
Hey brother, whose picture are you clicking over there? You said Little Singham is with you guys, but he's here.
But then who is here?
Lady Little Singham.
This is not fair.
Everything is fair in love and war with the thieves with the power of state.
Don't you dare to touch us, Little Singham.
Not with my hands, okay, but I can at least kick you. See, I didn't touch you, but I kicked you.
How did you get to know that we are going to rob this bank?
It was not difficult either. It was the only bank remaining for you to commit crime. आता माझी सटकली.